Hello again, my name is Daniel. I'm basically gonna go over the insert tab. If you remember what I showed you with the home tab, those are key things you need to know. I'm basically gonna go over some of the inserts, which most people will most likely be using if you're going to the insert tab. Um, this right here, you can create a cover page, angle, type document. You can also go to click on more. These you can create this allows you to make a cover page, basically, like so. And you can change the texting if you need to that. You can type whatever you want into the title area. Next one is blank, and then just all it does is make a brand new page. It makes a brand new page. That's all it does. See, Control C, and you can have a page for the next one, page break. I'm just gonna fill this up. I'm just putting gibberish in. Page break breaks page. It moves everything to the next page. That's all it does. So you have a specific set of data that you want just cut down and move to the next page. Toward, you'll move this cursor where it's flashing, click on page break, and moves it down to the next page. It'll break. I'll show you again. If you want something moved down to the next page, where your flasher is, that's where it's gonna start. That's where it's gonna move it. So click page break, and it moves all that data to the next page, like so. Let me give a better example. I'm gonna type in real things. Oh, but yeah, let me copy some text off the web page. Alright, so description. I'm gonna copy this text right here. See, bring it into the word processor. Go okay, I'm gonna paste it in. Control V. Now let's say I want to move line 2. Everything below, everything in this line where it's flashing fans to unlock its full potential. You will go up to page break. Click on page break, and it will move everything from the flashing area. It'll start as a flashing area and just push everything down. Flip it like this. I'll show you another one. I'll do the last one. It'll push this last line and everything below. When it's flashing, that indicates where it starts. And you also can highlight specific things you want to page break to the next page. page break. Wherever your flashes starts, when you click page break, it moves all the text from that area and everything below it. So the first, this where it starts here, it'll push everything below that down to a new page. Like so. They push that down to a new page, and push that down to a new page. As you can see, it's moving it down to a page right here. Let's see. Click again. Page break. It moved it down to page 8. That's all page break does. It moves to like this where it flashes, and everything below this first line is pushed down, as so. Let me do this one. See, everything where it flashes right here, that's where it starts, and it pushes all the text down. So we start here, where it's flashing right here, it'll push all the text down to a new page. Or you could just start in right here and then click page break, and it'll push all that to the next page. Wherever that flasher starts, it pushes everything where that flasher starts and all the lines below it to a new page. That's all you need to know about the page break. It's pretty easy to understand. Please forgive me if you have a hard time understanding things using my first tutorials. So I'm going to delete this text and show you shapes. You click on shapes, click on the shape you desire. If you desire an oval, click an oval, and then you hold the left click and move the mouse around to the size and how you want it to be shaped and sized, as so. And then you release to make it solid, to make it established, basically. So you release, and then you'll get these borders, which you can readjust it. So you can create shapes by going to Insert, click Shapes, choose the shape you want. I want a down arrow now. You just hold the left click, move the mouse around to the size you want to have it at. So, and then you release it. Now if you want to adjust it, you click how on the edges where it shows you the diagonal arrow, adjust it. You can make it larger, smaller, move it around like this, as so. So once you see, you have to move your mouse to the corner where you see these corners. These corners tell you that once you see those arrows, that means you can adjust the size. If you don't see the arrows, that means all you can do is move this around. You see multi-directional arrows, that means all you can do is move it around. So you just right click